This website right here called the Elai.io is an amazing AI tool which you can actually use to start creating AI videos from text right here. And I'm going to show you an example of the AI video which I actually created right now.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a video with this AI called Elai.io.
So as you can see, that video was actually created with the help of this AI tool, and you can see how amazing that actually is and how realistic that video actually is right now. So that's why in today's video I'm going to show you how you could use this particular platform called Elai.io to actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers. So with that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. First of all, you want to go on to grabbing a CPA marketing offer from any CPA marketing platform of your choice. You could use the Max Bounty, the CPA Lead, the CPA Grip, or any other CPA marketing platform out there. To register for the CPA Grip is quite easy. Click on register and fill out the form which will be shown right there, and your account should be created almost immediately, where you can then log into your account and be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. So what you want to do next right here will be to go onto offer tools, click on my offers, and once you do that guys, offers are actually going to load up and you'll be able to see offers available to a certain demographic. You can actually come right here and filter that offer to a top tier country such as the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, or any other country of your choice right now. And you can just simply select any offer right there, where you'll be able to see more details about this offer. That is actually an Apple iOS offer right here, meaning that your lead will actually have to use an Apple iOS device to go on to installing an application on their devices right here, or on their mobile phones, and actually you do get paid 89 cents right there once such people actually do come from the United States. And you can see your unique affiliate link which you could use to promote this offer. Copy this link and actually head onto this platform called the Link3. And this platform called the linktr.ee can actually help you house multiple links just using one single link right now. You just want to come right here and just simply create a link tree because it's absolutely free. Put in the username which you want right now and go on to claiming your free link tree. Once you do log into your account, you should be brought to a page such as this. As you can see right now, I'm promoting multiple CPA marketing offers right here on my link tree, and all these offers are actually available to the United States demographic right here. So what you want to do right now to add in a new link tree or a new link right now is to click on add link. You want to paste in that particular link right here. If I do paste in that link and click on add, it's actually going to flag off that this is actually an unsafe URL. So you can actually do see right now, okay, it did actually take this URL as a safe one right here, but sometimes it actually do flag off as an unsafe URL. If that actually happens, you want to head on to a link shortener website out there such as the tinyurl.com to actually help you shorten that URL. Paste in that lengthy URL right here and shorten that URL, which is actually going to go on to shortening that URL to give you a shortened version for that particular link right there. And you can then just simply add that to this section. What you want to do right now is to head back to CPA Grip and copy this exact same title to this offer. Head back to your link tree and actually do go on to editing that right here in this section. So once that has actually been edited, you're going to see that right here has actually changed right now in the preview section. So you want to just simply go on to clicking on add link again and go on to CPA Grip and get another link which you want to just simply go on to promoting right now the United States demographic for another CPA marketing offers. So you can actually add as many CPA marketing offers as you can right here to your link tree. And once you do that, come right here, click on share, and you can then just simply go on to copying your link tree link. And if I do copy that and go onto a new tab and paste that in right here. So guys, you can see that this is how my link tree link actually looks like. On my link tree, I can actually do go on to selecting any one of this offer right now. And if I do select any one of these, it's going to take me to that CPA marketing offer to go on to completing that. So once you actually do get this link, you want to just simply go on to promoting it with the help of this platform called the Elai.io. So you want to just simply go on to signing up for a free account if you don't have, if you cannot go on to purchasing the paid account, but you can actually do come right here to the pricing section and you'll be able to see more about the pricing details of this particular platform, that you can get access to a free account, a basic account, an advanced or a custom plan right here. You can see the respective amount of each offer right here. You can see that the limitation to the free offer or the free plan is that you only do have 1 minute of free credit right here on this platform. So you want to just simply go on to registering for one of these paid plans right now, and you can then just simply go on to maybe checking out the features of each of these plans right here, which will actually enable you determine which you can actually go on to registering for. And once you do register for an account, you can log into your account and be brought to this page right now. So if you want to just simply go on to creating a video, you can actually create a video from templates, from a storyboard, from a URL right here. You could create a video for an e-commerce product right now, or for a PDF right here. So you just want to come right here, click on AI storyboard, and if you do that right here guys, you want to just simply go on to clicking on get started, and right here you want to just simply go on to selecting the particular template which you want to use. Supposing I want to use this exact same template right here, I'm just going to come right here, click on create video, and right now guys, you can see that my video generation is actually in progress. So as you can see right here guys, I'm being brought to this page where I just simply have to fill out these sections right here. For this particular first scene, I could insert a header right here, insert a subheader, add an image, and also go on to inserting a speech right here, which I want this AI to actually go on to talking about. Right now guys, I could just simply click on this plus icon to add in another scene right here. I could delete this scene if I don't want, and I could just simply take advantage of this AI tool right here called the ChatGPT to actually go on to generating content for my video right now. I could just simply maybe ask ChatGPT to generate any content right here. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to generate. So I asked ChatGPT to generate an article of giveaway, and you can see right now this article says the art of giveaways, building connections and spreading joy. And you can actually see how cool this article actually is. I can just simply come right here to this introduction section and do go on to copying this section right now. Guys, it's not necessary you focus on this particular niche. You could focus on any niche of your choice right here, or generate article on any niche. This particular strategy is going to work for that. So if you do head on to this section, you just want to come right here to this particular insert speech text and paste that in right there. For this particular section which says insert heading, you want to just simply go back to ChatGPT and actually do copy this exact same title right now. If I do copy this title, I'm going to head back to Elai.io and actually do paste that in right now. So once it has actually been pasted, so as not to waste much of our time, I'm not going to go on to creating another scene, because if I do click on this plus icon, another scene will actually be generated. I can just simply go onto the top section. As you can see right here, this is actually loading up. I can just simply click on convert to files or convert to slides. So as you can see right here, this is actually the template which I was shown right here. I could go on to editing this template based on my preference. I could edit this particular section. I could actually increase how I want this size of this text to actually be. You can see that right here. You could edit this template based on your preference, change the background, and actually do a lot of stuff right here. You could go on to editing the avatar or changing the avatar. If you don't want this particular avatar right here, you could see numerous avatars which you can actually take advantage of, and each avatar are actually having different variations right here. You can see right now, if I just select this avatar right now, which is actually the Roy, you can actually see that you do have different variations. This particular character has various variations right now. But I can then just simply keep on scrolling through and select any avatar of my choice right here. Maybe I could just simply select this avatar. You can see two variations right here, either the casual or the business. I can select the casual, and you can see right now that is actually going to be added to this section. So you could actually go on to adding more text, adding elements, uploading some device cool stuff right here to this particular platform and using that. You could also record and add animations, music, and also go on to changing the template right now. So you could see right here that this is the text that this particular AI is actually going to read. You could go on to changing the voice text right here, or the speech text. You could go on to maybe changing the accent which you want this AI to actually go on to using. You could see numerous accents right here which you could take advantage of right now. Maybe once I'm done with this section, I could just simply click on this play icon to actually preview this.
In a world where consumerism often takes center stage, the concept of giving without expecting anything in return holds a special place.
So you could actually see how that actually looks right now. But this AI is not actually going to talk right now because I'm still editing. Once I'm done editing this particular section, guys, the AI movement or this particular avatar movement will actually be shown at the end result of our video. So right now, guys, you want to just simply select an aspect ratio. If you want to use the 16:9, the 9:16, or the 1:1, select the one that is actually suitable to you right here. and you can then just simply go on to clicking on render. And if you do click on render right here, your video will be downloaded to your device. So what you can actually do right now to promote your CPA marketing offer, maybe you could just simply come right here to this text section right now, and you just want to go on to adding a text. As you can see, this is the text right here. So I can just simply add a text such as this, which says giveaway link in description right now. And once I do render this video, guys, the video will be downloaded on my device, and I can then go on to promoting this particular video right here. So for me to promote this video, I can then just simply head on to social media platforms like Instagram right here. You could use TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and other social media platforms, including YouTube right here. So if you do head on to such platforms, you want to just simply upload that video, and in uploading that video, always make sure that your Linktree link right here is actually available in the description of that video, because you already do have a call to action right here telling them that the link is available in the description of that particular video. And if you do that right here, for as many people that do watch this video right now, we're actually going to check in the link in the description, and that link right here is going to lead them to your Linktree right here, of which if they do go on to selecting any offer and completing that offer, they do stand a chance of earning that particular giveaway, and you also go on to earning some cool affiliate commission for directing them to complete such offers using your unique affiliate link. So this is actually an amazing strategy which you can actually use to start making money with CPA marketing and Elai.io in the year 2023 and beyond. And I hope this video did help you. If yes, simply go on to smashing the like button and subscribe to the channel. So thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.